we're going to do this, which is expanding brackets and simplifying, so we'll combine the two. So if you remember from last lesson, that's going to give us 3x, and the 3 times the 2, and they're both plus, so that's plus 6. Now I've just got to add the plus 4 into this, plus 4. Now what are the like terms? Just the 6 and the 4, so we can only combine those two. So that is going to be 3x plus 10. So that's 3x. 3 times 1 is 3. Always remember it's times, people forget that. Now this says plus 2 here, so that's plus 2x. 2 times 2 is plus 4. Now let's see, the 2x and the 3x, those are alike, so we've got the 5x here. Now we've got plus 4 and plus 3, so that is plus 7. Now these are the type that questions that do catch people out, because there's a minus here. And remember, when there's no number in front of the x, I mean the 6, that means that's a positive 6. So hopefully you're good at this bit. You've got 6x, remember it's times, so 6 times 3 is 18. So you've got plus 18. Now we've got to be careful here, because that is the minus sign. So minus 3 times x is going to be minus 3x. And minus 3 times plus 3, negative times a positive is negative. Now let's look at this. We've got the 6x and the minus 3x. So there's two ways you can do this. Just write that underneath. You've done in like terms. So that's 3x. And now you've got the plus 18, maybe I'll do that as a square, and the minus 9. So you've got 18 minus 9 equals 9. So that answer must be 3x plus 9. If you're very good at this and you can see it easily, then you can just say that's 3x plus 9 straight away. Now there's a mixture of questions, so orange is probably, and green is the best one to practice. Blue's just a bit of extension to give you extra practice, but you probably don't need to do that. So I will do maybe question 6 here. So when you expand the bracket, you're going to get 10y plus 40. Now please feel free to pause and give a selection of questions a go. Now you can see this is not in the bracket, so we can just do the plus 2y here and the plus 7 on top, nothing to expand. Now we can see there's no negative in front of the 10, so we assume that's a plus 10y. You can add the like terms only, so 10y add 2y is 12y. And we can just add those two positive numbers. 40 add 7, those are the like terms, they're both numbers, and that's plus 47. Now let's be careful with 6 here, so that's going to give us 21n plus 7. Now you've got the plus 5n, but you can see you've got 5 plus 5 times minus 5, that's minus 25. Now we've got to simplify that now. So that's going to be, let's add the n terms together. You've got 26n, that's straightforward because that's easy. Now you've got plus 7 here, minus 25. So if it's a number line, and you've got, that's the number 7, you're minusing 25. So you're going back down the number line, so you're going to get a negative number, right? And that is just going to be minus 18. Now I will do 6 properly because this is what catches people out. So first step is you've got 21x when you multiply here. Now positive times a negative, that's minus 7. Now let's look at this. You've got minus 8x, so that's minus 8 times x is minus 8x, and a negative times a negative, that's going to give us a plus there, so that's plus 24. Okay, now got 21x minus 8x. Always look at the symbol in front. So that's going to be 21 minus 8 is 13x. Now you've got minus 7 plus 24. So if you're starting at minus 7, you're going up the number line, And sometimes you're not good at adding negative numbers. If you add 7, that will take you to 0. Right, if you add 7, that takes you to 0. So how much more have we got to add? 17 left of the 24. So from 0 to 17, that's going to be 17. So that answer is plus 17. And actually that's all you need to know, and then you can give the others a go. Excellent work if you got loads of those correct. It's good if you can do a few of blue, that just extends your skill, but obviously red, orange and green is the most important. So now have a go at this plenary where you spot the mistakes, see if you can spot them and correct yourself. Pause the video and give it a go. The correct answers are in green. And well done if you got those correct.